A fourth method of collecting a primary data is a information through questionnaire and schedule. There are two ways of collecting information on the basis of questionnaire. First of all, what is questionnaire? Questionnaire consists of a list of questions relating to the investigation. It is a list of questions which are related to the investigation, and questionnaire is done in with the two way. First is mailing method. As you know, it's a very clear by the name that mailing method. What is in that method? In this method, in questionnaire are mailed to the informant. ठीक है, questionnaire, a list of question is mailed to the informant. ठीक है, informant, a letter is attached with the questionnaire, and a letter is attached with the questionnaire giving the purpose of inquiry. एक लेटर अटैच किया जाता है क्वेश्चनेयर रिलेटिंग टू वाई दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज कलेक्टेड. इट इज़ ऑल्सो अश्योर्ड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन वुड बी केप्ट सीक्रेट, और एक एश्योरेंस भी दिया जाता है दैट द वट एवर यू इंफॉर्मेशन यू विल फर्निश इट विल केप्ट सीक्रेट. एंड वट आर द सूटेबिलिटी व्हेन द एरिया ऑफ स्टडी इज़ वेरी वाइड, जब एरिया आपकी स्टडी करने की बहुत ज़्यादा वाइड है. एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इन दिस मेथड द इंफॉर्मेशन मस्ट be educated. The information must be educated. What are the merit? And merit is economical in the sense that it is a less time consuming and in the terms of time as well as money. And original, okay, the data collected through this method is original because it is directly collected from the informant. Okay, it has a wide coverage because this method is used when the area of investigation is large. What are the demerit? Lack of interest. ठीक है, in this matter the informant may not take interest in replying the questionnaire. Lack of flexibility. This method lack the flexibility because the questions cannot be changed. Limited use means this method is only applicable for the educated, not for the uneducated. Lack of accuracy. The data furnished by this method is lack the accuracy. And next enumerator method. Under this method the questionnaire is prepared according to the purpose of inquiry. ठीक है, in this matter the questionnaire is prepared, again it is in same form, but questionnaire is prepared according to the purpose of inquiry. The enumerator personally visit the information. Enumerator is a person appointed by the investigator who conduct the investigation on the behalf of the investigator. He personally visit the informant. ठीक है, he personally go to the information or have a direct contact along with the questionnaire. With the questionnaire a list of questions. ठीक है, he finally asks the questions and note down their replies in the question in his own language. He just asks the questions and note down their replies in her own language. This method is basically adopted when the data is collected by the government, that is census data. And suitability, this method is used when the field of investigation is large and skilled and specialized investigator is needed. In this the person should be trained and specialized in investigation. What are the merits? Wide coverage. See, simple. When the area of investigation is large, then this method is used. Personal contact, because enumerator maintain a personal contact with the information. ठीक है, accuracy. Why? Because the enumerator have a direct contact with the person, so the data collected must be accurate. ठीक है, demerit is a less expensive. This method is very expensive in the terms of time as well as some money. ठीक है, it is a time consuming also. Collection of secondary data. ठीक है, we have studied about how the primary data are collected. Then collection of secondary data. Secondary data are collected through two sources, that is a published source and unpublished source. When the data is published on a newspaper or paper, that is a published source, and when the data is not published, that is a unpublished sources. ठीक है. Talking about the published source. ठीक है. Talking about the published source, there are number of national organizations and international organizations which collect the statistical data in different fields like national income, price, employment, wage, etc. The reports are published on the regular basis. इनकी report regular basis पे, that is quarterly, monthly, ठीक है, and so on. ठीक है. What are the sources? पहला क्या है? गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन. ठीक है. गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन है, गवर्नमेंट पब्लिश देयर रिपोर्ट्स. ठीक है. when you need information, then you have to collect from the government publication. Semi-government publications like municipalities, ठीक है, municipalities or district board, they also publish their data when you require the data about the birth, the death या education, ठीक है, then you collect the data from the semi-government publication या reports of committees and commissions. ठीक है. There are various committees and commissions. ठीक है. they committees and commission like Narsimha committee, ठीक है, पे कमीशन कमिटी, they prepare their reports and publish. ठीक है. when you need the information from these reports, you can collect from here. ठीक है. publication of trade associations, ठीक है, some big trade like Institute of Chartered Accountants, ठीक है, etc. published data and through their statistical and research division, they also publish their data. ठीक है. when you need, you can collect from there. Here journal and paper, various newspaper as well as magazines collect the data in respect of many socials and economic aspect. ठीक है. वो बहुत से social और economic aspect के बारे में कर, some of them है जैसे इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स हो गया, फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस हो गया, बिजनेस टुडे हो गए. ठीक है. ये सारे मैगजीन्स हैं. अगर आपको इनसे इंफॉर्मेशन से, यू कैन गो हेयर. ठीक है. इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन, इंटरनेशनल जैसे UNO, WHO, IMF, they also publish their reports regularly basis. ठीक है. when you need information about this, then you go to here. ठीक है. unpublished shows क्या है? the data are collected by the government organization or other. ठीक है. when the data is collected by the government organization या कोई other, ठीक है, generally for their self use or for the office record. ठीक है. they generally keep for the record. ठीक है. ठीक है. when the data collected by someone and is not published, किसी ने collect किया but उसे publish नहीं किया, and it's taken by other person for the purpose of investigation, और उसे किसी और ने ले लिया for the purpose of investigation, then it is known as unpublished secondary data. जैसे कि report prepared by the private investigation companies. ठीक है.